Assalamu'alaikum Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Anindita Tresa Valerina, part of KKN MIT 14 Group 15. Here, I will present the journal proceeding from my group entitled Training and Cultivations of Family Medicine Plants in the Framework of Maintaining the Body Immunity of the Jragung Community. Let's go! Abstract. Indonesia is known as a country that has biodiversity including various kinds of herbal plants that grow in it. These various kinds of herbal plants make the Indonesian people have high potentials and opportunities in developing and utilizing them optimally. Family medicinal plants or toga are essentially nutritious plants that are planted in the yard and managed by the family. This cultivated plant has properties to cure disease and maintain a healthy body, especially for the people of Jragung village on Arab endemic COVID-19. The implementation of this service was carried out in Jragung village. Jragung village is one of the villages in Karangawen district, Demak. Communities in this village area still have a very large yard, Demak vacancy. This service activity is carried out in three stages. The first stage is observations. The second stage is to socialize the use of family medicinal plants or toga, which is the easiest to obtain in the village environment. And the third stage is to plant toga on one of the residents' houses. This activity is expected to increase the body's immunity and prevent the spread of COVID-19. The real results obtained from this activity are that the people of Jragung village know about various plants that can be used as family medicine and how to plant them. Introduction. The COVID-19 outbreak in Indonesia has changed people's lives. People are not allowed to leave their homes, and implementing work from home is an obligation that must be carried out by the community in order to overcome the threat of the COVID-19 pandemic. A strong effort that is currently being made to fight the COVID-19 pandemic is by giving vaccines to the public free or of charge. Giving the COVID-19 vaccine serves as a form of prevention that encourages the formation of specific immunity to the COVID-19 virus to avoid transmissions. One of the things that can be done to maintain or strengthen the immune system is by utilizing toga, which can function as traditional medicine. World Health Organizations welcomes various innovations around the world, including the use of traditional medicines and developing therapies that have the potential to become a treatment for COVID-19. We go on service method. The first method is coordination stage. At this stage, we coordinate with Jragung village official, namely determining the time for carrying out activities, the place of implementations, and the people involved. And the second method is observations and preparation stage. Is the main stage in the implementations of activities which are carried out after there are results from discussions with village officials to prove and determine target locations and mapping problems in Jragung village so that the objective and the activities can be carried out. The preparatory stage begin with the preparations and determinations of material of socializations, material in the form of plant to be socialized, and planet which can make it easier for the community to obtain them. And the third method is socialization stage. Activities are no less important than observations activities because the socialization stage aims to provide understanding and knowledge for the community in utilizing medicinal plants around them. Besides that, it also provides knowledge about the content and benefits of these medicinal plants for types of diseases. And the last method is planning stage. At this stage, the planting of family medicinal plants were carried out, which was attended by the entire community in Jembolo Hamlet, Jragung village, making gardens or areas of land to be planted with medicinal plants. It focused on land next to residence houses so that they are easy to care for so that people can use these plants. We go on results and discussions. A. Coordinations. We coordinate with Dragon Village officials by way of discussions. The result of these discussions is that the time of implementations of the activity, the place of implementations, and the community involved are determined. These activities was carried out in the Jragung village, Karangawen district, Demak Regency. Through these coordinations, planting activities were focused on one of the hamlets, namely Jembolo Hamlet. And B. Observations and preparations. Based on the results of discussions with village officials, one of the hamlets in Jragung village that has the potential for plants to be used as medicines is Jembolo Hamlet, where when we made observations and interviews with the surrounding community, there were still few plants growing around residents' homes, but the plants that grow around residents' homes are not cared for but only allowed to grow. Therefore, we conclude that it's very important to plant toga in Jembolo Hamlet. Next is socializations. Based on the results of observations that we have made, the aim of these activities is training and planting of family medicinal plants in the context of maintaining the immunity of the Jragung community. With this theme, it is hoped that the people of Duku Jembolo will be more independent in terms of health and can use local plants to make medicine. At this socialization stage, it was carried out with the aim of providing knowledge to the Jragung village community regarding family medicinal plants or toga and their benefit. This socialization activity focus on the types of plants and the benefits of plants that can be used as family companion medicines and are very easy to obtain. This socialization was attended by the community of Jragung village, especially the Jembolo Hamlet community, where the community was very enthusiastic about participating in this activity. So the last is toga planning. The last stage is the implementation of the planning of family medicinal plants. Before planting, a kind of garden is made to make it easier for the community to focus on plants. In the process of making this garden, our community service team collaborated with village official and the community, bearing in mind that there must be approval from the landowner to be used as toga plantations, land, or garden. After approval, the community service team, together with the community made of garden, This is done so that there is no distance that separates the service team from the community. Therefore, starting from the process of making the garden to planting toga, many people are involved. In this process, sharing was also carried out regarding plants' name, plants' properties, and how to plant and care for them. So this is our picture when we planted toga with villager in Dugu Jembolo. So this is the end of my presentations as a part of KKN MIT 14 Group 15. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.